Hi, this is Extend Office. Excel cells often contain numbers mixed with labels, currency symbols, units, or other text. In this video, I'll show you how to extract whole numbers, decimal numbers, and numbers with thousand separators. First, select an empty cell next to the first text value. Enter this formula. The REGEXEXTRACT function finds the first number in the cell, whether it contains a decimal point or not. Because REGEXEXTRACT returns the result as text, the double minus converts it into an actual number. Press Enter. Then fill the formula down. Since these results are created by formulas, they update automatically if the original text changes. If you want to edit the extracted numbers directly, select the results, copy them, and paste them as values. Here, this list contains numbers with 1000 separators. If we use the same formula, REGEXEXTRACT stops at the first comma and returns only the digits before it. To extract the complete number, use this formula instead. Press Enter, and then copy the formula down the list. Excel extracts the numbers with 1000 separators correctly. If you find regex patterns difficult to remember, Kutools for Excel provides a visual way to process the entire range. After installing Kutools, select the cells containing the original text. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Text, and choose Extract Text. In the dialog box, choose Extract the number. To create results that update when the original text changes, check Insert as a formula. Click OK. Select an empty cell for the results. Click OK again. Kutools extracts the numbers from all the selected cells at once, so you do not need to enter different formulas for values with and without decimal points or thousand separators. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.